Here is another video that I am going to use to try and explain how a framing square works when laying out a set of stair stringers. And this is probably about the fifth explanation I have provided in my videos. So let's go ahead and get started by providing you with an example of a stairway that has already been built. As the first part of the project, I want you to visualize. It's going to be a lot better if you can imagine what the stairway is going to look like in your mind, or use some type of computer-aided software to show you what it's going to look like. So let's go ahead and remove the stairway so that we can take a look at the pattern or template I have created by simply taking the measurement of each step, which is 10 inches, and creating shaped rectangles to actually provide us with an example of what the stairway is going to look like. And all this can be done on the ground. You don't need to stand it up unless you really can't wrap your mind around it. Then you'll need to assemble everything together to do that. And I'm not suggesting you need to do this. However, if you need to, then do it. So each one of these pieces are 10 inches wide, the width of each one of the stair steps, and each one is going to be progressively larger by the height of the riser, which in our example is going to be 7.5 inches. So not too difficult. Now we can imagine what the stairway is going to look like. And if you do build something like this, you can always grab a couple of scrap boards and screw all of these pieces together so that you can create something like this. Next up, let's go ahead and place this on a couple of boards to provide us with another way to lay out our stair stringer. So I can go ahead and grab a pencil and trace each one of the steps out, all the risers, the treads, all the way through. Or I can forget about that and grab my framing square. And again, the purpose of this video is not meant to provide you with all of the information you need to build a set of stairs. It's meant to provide you with another example of how you can use a framing square. A lot of people can't wrap their mind around why they're going to grab a framing square and lay all of these marks out on a piece of lumber. It just does not register in their mind. How do I know this? Because I at one time couldn't wrap my mind around it either. So don't feel bad if you can't do it. And again, I do have books at our website. I have hundreds of videos on building stairs you can check out for free if you don't want to get the books. And again, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if this helped you along your stair building journey, or somehow is going to make you a better stair builder.